let's talk about trailers too. So that's going to one, add value to your boat. And then
Yep.
we have another question here. What if I don't have a trailer? So let's do this kind of as a two-sided question again, Scott.
Yep.
You know, when you're buying a boat without a trailer, you get a trailer put on the boat, whether it's a used one, you get a new one built, relatively easy, just with a little bit of lead time. We work a lot of times. We'll have trailers too that we have lying around that, you know, might be in inventory some way, somehow. It's just a matter of working with your salesperson. But if you don't have a trailer with your trade, you hit on this a little earlier about picking that boat up, and we've done the same thing down here. So how do you guys handle that when a boat doesn't have a trailer? You guys have shop trailers?
Yeah. So, depending on, let's say it's a Bennington pontoon, doesn't have a trailer. We're going to have a shop trailer for that. So we're going to come out and get the boat and bring it to you. And then we're going to look for a customer, ideally, that just wants to put that back at their lake house or on their lift. That's not going to need a trailer. Of course, we can get trailers and we can match a boat up with a trailer and sell it with the trailer. So it's really not an issue at all. Not having a trailer, we can get the boat for you and reselling that boat. We can find a trailer with it if it needs. And a lot of times we do find somebody that put it right back out there without the trailer. So it works out great. So it's not a problem at all for the customer to not have a trailer. So that's not a worry for them.
Yeah. I mean, especially, at Keith and I's stores too, all MarineMax stores are different, but we're on the water. And I mean, you drive that boat right to our store, or we can, maybe even in some certain cases, maybe even send myself or Keith out there to pick it up, and bring that boat right in, and we'll put it on, we'll put it on the hard or on blocks or something like that, and if somebody wants a trailer, you could get it, man. But not everybody needs a trailer; it'll just stay on the lift forever.
Well, I was down at your store this morning, picked the 33 Outrage up, shot up here with it. So just had a lift open up. Won't last long. Nah, it's probably already spoken for. I shouldn't have said anything.
Yeah, they're worth their weight in gold right now. Any dry storage or lifts.